how to delete Amazon order history. So if you want to delete your Amazon order history, then what you need to do is just open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you need to go with www.amazon.com, which will take you to the official website. Now, if you're looking to delete your order history on Amazon, then let me tell you, unfortunately, you cannot permanently delete the orders from your Amazon order history because Amazon doesn't allow you to do this. You can archive it if it's available, or as workaround, what I would suggest is simply close your account that you're using right now. So when you close your account, your all data will be deleted. So you can close it and then just open up a new account if you want to use your Amazon. So just use it with a new account. That'll be the best idea and workaround you can do at this point. So go with the accounts and list option, which will be in the top. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you signed in, you can just simply go with manage your data and then you can delete your Amazon account. Or you can just simply go with your new tab and then search for delete Amazon account and then go with the request to delete the Amazon account. Now scroll down a bit and then go with close your Amazon account right here and then sign in. Once you've signed in, your account will be deleted. And then you can just simply create a new account and use it without any order history. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.